I am just in the super organized mood this week. I had this thing under my bed with all of my craft stuff, okay? But I had all of that stuff in that big bin, and I wanted to get it from under my bed because I want to have my little craft corner and have everything there that's associated with crafts. At first, I got that, but then, and I was totally convinced that everything was going to fit in there, but got home, let's try to do everything, and yeah, nothing, no. So I just had to go back. I still don't even know if everything's going to fit. I'm hopeful. You know, I measured everything out, and I thought everything was going to fit. We are going to try that now. I might have to keep both of those or get another one of those big ones, but we'll see. Drawer 1 is done. And I should have waited to put the wheels on. And I've come to the conclusion that I'm probably going to have to keep the other one because I don't think all my stuff's going to fit in this one. Unless I organize it really well, which I need to do anyway. If I get bins and organizers and put in there, should be fine. But I still have all this to go. So I didn't record an outro, so here it is. Thank y'all for watching. This is kind of what I did. And then I have a little section over there in the corner that I have some extra fabric stuff in, but I put washi tape on each of the drawers and labeled what's in them just to help me know better of what's in it, since it's not clear. But I think it turned out good. I have everything organized, and I think that's how it's gonna stay. But yeah, I know this was a quick video, just a little, you know, DIY organization thing, but yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.